Back to the race to vaccinate, making sure everybody gets the chance to get their shot.
Yeah, a local organization doing their part to help people with disabilities. They are hosting vaccination events later this month. Our Ashley Paredes with more on this important effort.
The state contacting several organizations about having pop-up pod sites specifically for those with disabilities. Ability 360 has a large campus, so they offered up their gym next weekend for vaccine distribution.
I wish it were done sooner.
There was a lot of advocacy around trying to give people with disabilities access to vaccines early on. Now, months later, they are being heard.
I think it's fantastic. The more access to the vaccine, the better.
Several disability organizations have been in contact with the state about the possibility of a pop-up pod site, including Ability 360. They're holding a 2-day vaccination event in their gym, a large space to lay out things safely.
If you have a disability, you're a family member of someone with a disability, or you're a caregiver, we want you to come in, you're eligible.
The hope is to vaccinate 1,000 to 2,000 next Saturday and Sunday, something many believe is long overdue.
Especially in the intellectual disability, developmental disability community, where you had people living in congregate settings, group home settings, where it was a little more difficult to social distance people. And then you also had caregivers coming in to provide those services. I think the feeling was that those people were at much higher risk.
Emily Kingston is part of the disabled community, but was able to get vaccinated since she is a healthcare worker. She feels for those waiting for appointments.
You've got to prioritize somehow. You can't just open it up. You can't open up the floodgates. Someone's got to go first. So maybe there was an element of frustration, but I don't think I was angry.
Those working at Ability 360 are ready to see their members living life again.
I've seen what the repercussions are of staying home and being isolated, and not just for their physical health, but also their mental health. So now to hear that we are having this vaccination here, I'm super excited to be able to start seeing members.
The second doses will be given here in May, and we're told there could be other pop-up sites throughout Maricopa County and other areas as well. I'm Ashley Paredes, ABC 15, Arizona.